Start by positioning the newel in the desired location on the handrail center line, where adequate blocking is available. Scribe a line on the tread completely around the base. Position the keylock plate in the middle of the square. Scribe around the plate for inletting. Using a router or chisel, inlet for the plate 1/16 inch below the finished surface. The keyhole area should be 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch deeper, and wide enough for the lag bolt head to slide freely. Position the plate in the inlet and pre-drill the holes for the screws. Fasten the plate to the tread with supplied screws. Cut the newel to the desired length. At the center point on the newel bottom, drill a 1/4 inch or 5/16 hole 4 inches deep. Apply paraffin wax to the lag bolt threads and use a 9/16 inch wrench to screw the bolt into the newel to within a 1/2 inch of the lag bolt head. Insert the lag bolt head into the keylock plate. With a hammer and a block of wood, drive the base of the newel post towards the opposite end. As the lag bolt slides down the slot, the post will tighten.